Europe. Hello, my name is Jacob, and I'm a Norse Pagan, and I want to tell you about what I'm up to these next 3 months here in beautiful Europe, including here in the Netherlands. Good. We'll go for another tip. Alright, that is a little bit better, and I have dried off now as well. I apologize for the wind, but basically it never stops being windy here. But I wanted to make sure that I give you a beautiful view of what I've been seeing for the last week. So I've been here in Amsterdam for the last week on a vacation, trying not to think about paganism too much, but of course I can't stop myself. But as I return to Munich, I do want to talk about what I'm going to be talking about for these next 3 months. So last year I came to Munich, Germany to explore Europe for the first time, and the reason for this was actually a personal reason. I met someone online during COVID, and we ended up falling in love, so I came to Munich to spend time there. And now I've actually come back, and I do have a plan for what to do for the channel and for the community. So first off, I do want to talk about what we're going to be doing for the community. So the Fellowship of Northern Traditions is actually going to have 2 gatherings. So not 1, but 2 gatherings here in Europe. First off, here in the Netherlands in a month, we'll be near Eindhoven. And so if you actually want to go online and check out that gathering, I think we have 1 spot still available at the time of recording this, but otherwise it is full. And then less than a month later, I'll be going to the UK, somewhere around the middle. I'm not actually sure about the UK very well, but it's around Derbyshire. I've been told I have to say that correctly. But regardless, we had headed to the UK to have a gathering there with our UK fellowship leader that we've been planning for a while now. And I believe there's a couple spots for that as well, so be sure you head over to that website. But while also in the UK, I'm going to be taking a trip up north to Scotland and doing a pagan site tour. So I'll be going to a lot of standing stones, as well as a lot of sacred sites, and doing a road trip video. So I'm kind of planning those sites along the way. So make sure you're like and subscribed and all that stuff, so you can I'm really looking forward to that video. And it's gonna be a lot of work and a lot of time and honestly resources put into this as well. So definitely this trip is less of a vacation spent across Europe, and I'm really focusing on what kind of content I can bring you. So also, when I return to the Netherlands in a month, I have been doing research on a goddess named Nehelinia that was a goddess here around the Roman era, but also was a Celtic goddess. So I'll be doing that research, going up to that video, and filming a video on this kind of forgotten goddess as well. And then while in Munich, I'll be doing the same video as I normally do, but this time with a German backdrop, or in this case, with a backdrop of Amsterdam and all of its fun. I do have a few other collaborations I can't quite talk about yet because I want to make sure they're all set in stone, but I have been planning the last 6 months, all these little visits I can do. One of them may involve going to Greece to work on a music video. You might guess who that is if you pay attention to the podcast, which of course I will be doing here as well. So hopefully I'll be going to Greece to work on a music video, or at least a music collaboration. I'm also working with some people here in the Netherlands to do a collaboration project with them, but again, I want to hold that off until I make sure I can confirm everything, and I have a few other things in the works. So I have a lot of videos planned, but like I said, there's going to be a few that are just the normal content, talking about paganism, talking about advice for new people getting into the faith, and other such videos as that, but all with the backdrop of the beauty of Europe. So I have 3 months here, and it's, well, already a week gone, but I'm really excited to bring you all this content. So make sure you're following my page here, as well as the Wisdom of Odin on Instagram. And if you were following me there already, you've already seen a lot of beautiful pictures I've been posting here. But as far as the Fellowship of Northern Traditions, like I said, we have a couple of gatherings here coming up in Europe, as well around the country back in the States. So make sure you're following us there. And we are still pushing for that Hall of Land. And so once I come back, I'll be doing a lot more fundraising. I'll be doing a lot more book stuff. I mean, we're working on a recipe book right now with community recipes, working on a ritual book. We have a lot of stuff coming up. So there's a lot going on if you haven't been able to tell. So make sure you're following me on all those platforms so you can keep up with my adventures here and our adventures as a community. Other than that, let me know down below what you would like to see in Europe this time around. I do have the Paganism on the Go series I started last time. That was kind of successful in some regards, but I do have, like, the Odin statue of Munich, Germany. I went to the Norn statue, and I visited a lot of castles. So maybe go back and watch those videos and let me know what kind of content you would like to see for the next 3 months. Other than that, thank you so very much, and until the next video filmed here in Europe, until the Hall, Skull. Everyone, if you like the content here at the Wisdom of Odin. Please know that I try my best to make these videos entertaining. So if you want to support this channel on Patreon, please do, because I do crazy shit, and they said I wouldn't do it.
We're cold as fuck. We're not believers. Like, share, and follow at Wisdom of Odin.
Yeah, or whatever he said.